Welcome back with a new topic, that is transfer of heat. So first of all, what is heat? So heat is a form of energy flowing from one body of matter to another spontaneously due to their temperature difference. And what is the characteristic of heat? Heat always transfer from body of higher temperature to body of lower temperature, or heat flows spontaneously from a hotter body to a cooler body. Now here are three modes of heat transfer. The first one is convection, second is radiation, and the third is conduction. So we can say how is heat transferred. So heat can be transferred by the three methods. These are conduction, convection and radiation. Now, what is conduction? So heat is transferred from one particle of matter to another in an object without the movement of the object is the conduction. Conduction you may understand through the contact. It means the two objects are in contact with each other. So it is the mode of heat transfer in solids only. Now you can understand the conduction through some examples. The heat from a hot coffee makes the cup itself hot. Or you can say a metal spoon becomes hot from the boiling water inside the cup. Now let's understand the second method of heat transfer, which is the convection. So convection is the movement that transfers heat within fluids and air. So heat is transferred by currents within the fluids or gas. So convection you can say that moves in a circular pattern. Now let's understand the convection through an example. Let's take an example of boiling water. The heat passes from the burner into the pot, heating the water at the bottom. Then this hot water rises and cooler water moves down to replace it, causing a circular motion. Now there is a third method of heat transfer, which is the radiation. So radiation is the transfer of energy by electromagnetic waves. Radiation does not require matter to transfer thermal energy. So radiation, it means radiates. So radiation, we can say that is an important mechanism of the heat transfer in all the forms of matters. It means solids, liquids and gases. So radiation is the emission of heat by a body which travels towards cooler surroundings, whereas conduction and convection both need matter to be present. So radiation can occur in vacuum and particles of matter are not involved in this process. So here are some examples of radiation: fire, heat lamps and sun. Please like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.